We need to double check the accelerator spring tension here.
All right, get a gauge.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, one play.
Serial here. Looks correct according to the manifest. Okay, mark down. All right, next stack. Make sure there's those end billet billets. Clear the rack on the left. Watch the path.
Easy, easy. Hold it there. Okay, drop it down.
Scanning complete. You are cleared through the gate. Routing to automated unloading at Dock 4.
Bring it back slow. Watch your spacing. All right, you're good. Cut it hard right now.
Quality check complete on pallet 9. Ready for transfer.
Roger that. Transfer initiated.
The sensors indicate a minor fluctuation in the billet alignment right here.
I see it. It corrected itself immediately. The system is operating nominally.
The M2 feed ramps are clear.
Good. Check the fluid pressure again. Make sure it holds steady. Watch the tension on this side. Got it. Looks consistent now.
Check the heat on line 3. They're running hot. Adjusting the flow now. Looks good. Look at that billet right there. The sensor caught it. We need to divert it.
See the tolerance levels here? They match the M2 specifications exactly. Understood. The structural integrity is sound. The system confirms a full pass.
The feed rate looks good at 75%.
Agreed. The tolerances are holding.
This one looks good. Finish is smooth. Agreed. No burrs on the edges either. Send it through.
Check the tolerances on the fifth axis.
Looks stable. The feed rate is optimal.
The pressure looks steady. Running smooth. We're getting a clean cut.
Wait, pause it right there.
Is that pitting near the gas port?
No, just some fouling.
Looks clear now.
Right there, nice and slow.
Got it. Rack 42, positions 3 and 4.
The tolerance at this junction is extremely tight. We need to watch the coolant pressure.
The thermal readings are stable according to the tablet data.
Excellent. Maintain this pace.
Temperature stabilizing at 1150.
Acknowledged. Beginning retraction sequence.
The heat treat looks spot on for this one. Agreed. Record the data and move them along.
The tolerances on this batch are perfect.
Absolutely consistent.
Data confirms 0 defects so far.
Make sure the tolerance on this sear engagement's within spec before you torque it down.
The alignment on the barrel is critical here. According to the schematic, the tolerance is tighter on this run. We confirmed the calibration before the shift. It should be perfect.
Check the tolerances on the holographic view.
All green. The mounting is complete.
See the clearance right there? Very smooth engagement.
The calibration looks good on the readout.
Confirmed. The etching is within tolerance.
Keep the nozzle perpendicular to the surface for even coverage.
Gauges are holding steady right here. And the exit temp on these looks good.
A little lower, watch the clearance.
Copy, lowering.
Alignment is good, lock it down.
Check the tension right here.
Data looks optimal.
And the seal is perfect. That's a big order heading out.
Yeah, keeps the line running.
Check the alignment right here.
Yeah, looks good. It's ready.
This weapon is truly massive, emphasizing the scale of our production here.
Indeed, the craftsmanship on the M2 is exceptional. It's ready.
The barrel alignment looks good on this batch.
Agreed. Run the final specs through QC.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, watch your footing. Okay, manifest confirms 40 units on this pallet. Bring it to bay 3, next to the others.
Copy that, moving it now.
We need to double check the accelerator spring tension here.
All right, let me get the gauge.